Jonathan here. If you don't know me, I take full responsibility for that. I'll show you how to put a blower motor in a Ford Focus if I can figure it out. Maybe not. Open this glove compartment thing here and take it apart. Two sides here, and it should come out. Connector that you unplug. It's got a black, a red wire, and a green wire. So you unplug that. Well, here's the thing right here. There's just 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. We use an 8mm socket and ratchet. Now get it out and see if we can put it back in. Make sure it matches the old one pretty good. Oh, see, this bad boy works. Yeah, it works. You need an extension too to get some of these, and just sit there. Yeah. Well, it's hard to do with the phone, but you get the drift. There's 3 bolts. You tighten them up. We gotta put the blower motor resistor back in, which is dangling right there. We'll put it back in there. Holding it in. Nice hot air. Yeah.